Now we are going to see how to download and install Tamil font Bamini in your computer. Open the Chrome or any other web browser and type Tamil font Bamini download and then press the enter button. Here click the free tamilfont.com website. Scroll down to see the download button. This is the download button. Before pressing this button, type this number in this box: 1 2 4 5 6 and press the submit button. Once the download is complete, you can close this window. Now go to downloads, and you will find the downloaded font here. To install this font, you need to copy it and paste it in Windows font folder. Right click over this file and copy it. Go to local disk C, double click the Windows folder, open font folder. Here you will find all the installed font in your computer. Right click the mouse on any empty area and click paste to install the font. Once the installation is completed, you can close this window. To check this, open MS Word, select the Bamini font here and start and type something like this. Similar steps can be followed for installing any other fonts.